Well, they brought the big crane out this morning. Starting to get it all ready to get our tank set in. They're rigging it all up right now. I'll wait until they hook up the first tank to show anymore. Well, they're getting ready to hook the one up. Got it all set. Got a stick at her, hooking her up there. They're gonna take her off and lay her down in a minute. Oh, there it goes up in the air. Let me get up a little bit and they'll swing around. This gives you a different view of it. See where it's going to get set. This is I believe a small tank, so it's probably going to be the diesel fuel, I believe. See where it gets to. Here it goes. Get set. There you go. Now you got a view of the crane too. Better than the last shot. Right, get ready for touchdown. This ain't very close. Well, that's pretty doggone close right there. I don't know if they're sitting right on those metal plates they put in there. I don't know if they're gonna get welded to it or they're just gonna free float on top of it. I have no idea. But they are getting her pretty darn close to being right on top of that steel. It's pretty smart. They're actually picking this trailer up to spin it around so the truck can take it straight out. Because I've watched tractor trailer rigs trying to turn around in here before, pull it and not be able to back out. So this is definitely the smart move. You know, an extra maneuver with the crane, but the truck would just not be able to do it. Now, it would take 5 hours to maneuver that thing out, so good on them. That's definitely one way to turn a trailer around, isn't it? Now they back up to that and they'll be ready to go. Not bad, guys, not bad. Okay, they got the second tank all strapped up, ready to go. Like this is the bigger of the two tanks. And they got 4 straps coming down on this one. They only had 2 on the other one, I believe. Well, let's see how it goes. There we go, up into the air. That's gonna be one tight fit. Put that in there behind that other tank. But they say it's gonna fit. They're not gonna have much room between the two. But it'll go. Get around that crane. Tight fit. Tight fit. This is where we see if it really does fit.
Shit on camera.
Tight. These guys don't have much room to maneuver in here. No, they don't have much room. don't know how much room they got in here. Doesn't look like the end of that tank. It's gonna sit all the way to the end of that plate comes in. Oh, buddy. Tell you what, can't get much closer than that. Right on that plate. I'll be doggone. They couldn't have got much closer.
What do you think about that, YouTube?
God almighty.
Huh?
2 inches.
What do you
You
think?
come 2 inches more that way.
What do you think about that?
That's pretty tight. You don't have, you ain't got no room over there.
We got all the room.
On this side, they don't even have that much room. They got more room down there than they do here. Tight. Here we go, the second time. You got the first trailer turned around. Now this is the second trailer. See if they get it turned around as easily as the last one. No, don't want to lift up. There she goes. There she goes. Now she's free. Now it'll work. All you do is spin her around now and she's all set. A whole lot easier to try and maneuver that rig in here. Amen. We're having trouble clearing that thing. This trailer must have been a little bit longer than the other one. Other one spun around pretty easy. But they got her spun around. They'll settle her down, hook her up. Wait for the next trailer to come in to bring this other tank out. They're just salvaging the other pump out of that one tank. Next thing, I guess they're gonna bring another one in to haul this thing out. Well, this is the last trailer, truck and trailer rig. Probably take this trailer off, too like the other ones. He'll probably pull him out and turn the trailer around before they load the big tank on it. So when he goes, he can just go straight on out. At least that's what I'm figuring they're gonna do. That'd be my best bet. Well, there goes trailer number 3 being turned around. Turned out to be quite an operation. See if they can get this one turned around easier than the last one. Looks like it might go okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's the way it's done, boys. Good job. Third time's a charm. Now you got to turn it around, set, take this rigging off, back that trailer up to it, and the last tank goes out. Well, they're hooking the last tank up. Get it strapped up, all up set on this other rig, and at least that'll be all for the tanks. Next, they'll just have to start doing all the piping and fitting and stuff, getting it all ready. But this is the last of the major operation right here. See how it goes. Hey, well, about as high as that thing's gonna go. Get her up, swing her around, set her down. And on the way out. Okay, set down for its final resting place for here. I thought that was a big tank.
Be decommissioned and sold for scrap.
Well, that's all it's good for right now. It's probably been here since they put the marina in. No telling what it looks like on the inside. There she goes. Say adios. Adios, Tankiosomo. All right, this is On Tilt Sailing, Dale Hudson, and I'm now getting official approval from Industrial Piping Solutions to post this on YouTube. Do I have your permission to post this, guys? On YouTube? You want to be YouTube stars? There you go. That's the official agreement to be posted. So look at all the yellow bright shirts. I want to make sure you can see you guys, all right? All right. They're going all this trouble. Moved that trailer out. Got over here, back this one in, just so they can take and move the back of the box trailer over so the city can put their last little corner of their little property fence up. All this trouble for I'm not sure what. But that's all they're doing, just moving the back of that little trailer around so the city can have their way. Yeah, all that up there just to put one more post in. They gotta move the corner of this trailer over just enough to get that last post in so the city can have her way. Well, as I walked around there, I stepped in a pile of fire ants. It's got all stung up on my foot. Ouch. Okay, here we go. They're getting ready just to pick her up, just slide that back over some. That's all they're gonna do, as far as I know. Unless they move it all to a different place altogether, I'm not sure. We'll find out shortly. But it's on the move. It's up and away. That's all they really have to do to turn that corner around. Let's see if they just set her down now. Oh, they're gonna move her a little bit more. Okay, there she goes. Going down. Going down to its new home. Again, all to make the city happy. A lot of work. Well, that's it, boys. Here we go. We got it cleared from this pipe all the way back that way now, so the city can have its way. I don't know where they're going from here, but at least this is clears the city's gate, piping, fencing, whatever. We'll see what they do with it.